Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hi everyone. The Human Rights Commission has taken me to court in my personal capacity, taken our lawyer to court, taken March and March to court, and some of our members, as well as Operation Dudula. And they have cited us as respondents because they are saying that the police need to arrest us for stopping illegal immigrants in hospitals who are here for all kinds of reasons besides emergency health care. And ideally the South African Human Rights Commission, that's supposed to be protecting our rights to life and making sure that the law is being upheld, is the very same commission that is now wanting to aid and abet illegal immigrants in the country instead of making provision for them to be deported and taken back to their countries of origin. So we're calling on all of you South Africans who are available on Tuesday to please join us at the Durban High Court. That's where we're going to be appearing. And we want to make our voices heard. We've been saying, we've been crying, we've been going on all platforms trying to be heard. The country can no longer take care of all these illegal immigrants. None of our resources are capable or are even budgeted for so many people who are not South African citizens. Therefore, we call on all of you are available on the day. Please, please, please do.
Guys, is this a joke? Somebody please tell me this is a joke. Please tell me this is a joke. Is this woman calling on all the South Africans that she has turned her back on? Is this the same woman who said that she's removing March and March from the 30th of June? That all South Africans will now have to be accountable or be held accountable for everything that's going to happen on the 30th. And Yena, who started this whole March and March thing, she's not going to be held accountable for anything that's going to happen on the 30th. Is this the same person? Why are you calling South Africans to come and help you in court while the South African government has taken you to court, not South Africans? But it's not the South Africans who went on live television and they threatened the government with violence. It was you. So why are you trying to invite South Africans into your business? Because at the end of the day, as I said, you have distanced yourself from South Africans, from anything that has to do with South Africans, on the date that you personally gave them. And now you want them to help you. You want them to come and make noise in the court so that you can scare the South African government. I mean, I thought you were strong. And you are weak. The same people that you turn your back on, now you want them to, guys, if you go and help her on Tuesday, I will know that you people, you are actually brainwashed. That is when I will know that you are actually brainwashed. Someone cannot turn their back on you and then call on you again and then you go running. If you do that, I will know that she's using something on you people. I will definitely know that there's something that she's using, because this cannot happen. Never.
Kunenkinga eyi-1 ukuthi ngijoyine i-March and March, ngabe ngiyayijoyina, ngabe ngiphambili, ngabe ngikhona nami. Inkinga eyi-1 yile yokuchela, ngazi chelwa ngani laphaya. That's the only problem. I would be there. Ngiyahalela. I actually do want to participate in March and March, but but the thing is that I will participate la on my TikTok. Igama lami nguzeki, angisiyena uzex and angisiyena uzex. Mawuthi nguzex chaza ukuthi ngindoda, mawuthi nguzex chaza ukuthi sibaningi. Ngithi ngizokhuluma la ku TikTok ngoba angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuba for funds. Ngiyangazi ke from my previous TikTok page before bangibhene ngihlezi ngi-activist. So la lento enzeka la eSouth Africa ukuthi sithule sizibe. Kade ngibona umunye usisi ash on kula ku TikTok asho ukuthi hey, uphakela umthakathi kuze uzasuke ayothandaza uleader mabutho every single day. Uyambona uyena uJacinta umchunu nabanye ke angimazi bani khona lo baba lo isidudla hayi lo uyangichaza ngithi yeah, if he can do it I should definitely South Africa iyabuya sayithatha kuthiwa uze wathandaza wabamba umkhuleko for abantwana obhuti bethu ngisho abantwana bethu because anginayo umntwana but obhuti bethu ingane esakhula nazo abantu esakhula nabo uwawona nje sebe owunga uyabona nje ukuthi nje bama addict bawobunga bahlala emgaqweni bangcolile bayanu uma uthi uyambheka umuntu uyaombona ukuthi umuntu wakhula naye lo ngathi ikhehla ngaze enjani ngenxa yani ngenxa yezidakamizwa egcwele kulomhlaba ose South Africa sithuleke uthi khuluma umuntu athi hayi kuyafana njena imali ngeke sibe nayo njengoba bebusy bexosha abantu thina umsebenzi hayibo umsebenzi muphi umsebenzi bathi abantu hayi balokhu bebusy bayamacha engaze bahamba bayofunda babe educated instead of spending time bematch. Yes, those people in the streets are educated. Those people are degree holders. Banama masters, banama honors, banama multiple degrees, they're educated. It's just that they are not employed because there is no employment. There is no employment. If foreigner izozala eSouth Africa, ayifike neskill esingenaso. How many medical practitioners are sitting at home unemployed? How many? How many nurses? How many educators, teachers? We saw an example this year. Since the baby busy. Eddington, KZN, Eddington. Otisha bakhona, principal bakhona. I'm a foreign nationals. I've got friends, behlele ekhaya. They are qualified educators. Bahlele ekhaya, they're unemployable. They're not employed. Bese ngithi umsebenzi ngeke uzibe khona. For ini. Khona ubhuti la ochazile ukuthi sekuyisikhathi for South Africans ukuthi balungisa ama-CK business ba-register ka-CIPC. Ushilo nje uthi zu4 ama-documents adingakalayo ukuthi angisakhumbuli kahle. Uthe uregister CIPC uyahamba uya kamasipala wakho local ucele ukuthi bakunike i-approval yokuthi utrade i-tax shop lapho angazi nani ku4 okudingakala ukuthi ube nama-documents. Ngicela ukuthi nihambe niyobuza nje kwabantu abanawo lapha ko-spaza shop. Emva kalokho mase sekuzile lokho uyangena online ubheke uthe ilink yokuqala wema ukuthi ngikhumbula ukuthi balo abhuti uyilink yokuqala mangabe ubheka ama business developments eSouth Africa uselecta khona i-tax shop bakunika u15,000 kodwa bazofika benze inspection khathi besalindele ukuthi benze inspection ubufuna indawo la uzovulela khona isitolo. Nina futhi niyazi phakela umthakathi ushilo wathi bazama ukukhuluma nabo cash and carry laba aba-order khona abantu bokuhamba ukuthi ama-price afane ama-deal bade benawo with abantu bokuhamba awaqhubeke nabantu bala eSouth Africa. If bengaqhubeki bazofuna oyedwa ozovuma kubo yena osupplyela wonke umuntu laba abanqabayo dololo. So South Africans sihleli sithuli bezama ukushintsha izwi lethu bezala ukulela izingane zenu ifuture ley'ngane zenu but you find fault and push propaganda khona enye ividiyo engiyibonile kaJacinta ukuthi ngeke ngisho ukuthi eyani but ngimbonile uJacinta kuleya video ngibonile futhi angeke ngisho ukuthi bekuyini ngoba kuzovele kubonakala and ngiyamazi and ngiya-understand mayethu ukuthi uJacinta upusha i-propaganda. Ngibonile ngathi ngibe disappointed futhi nami ngathi for such a brilliant person kanjena engimazi personally brilliant lento ayenzile exopisayo noJacinta into engekho umbhedo ephusha ipropaganda yakhe ngobani angeke ngisho because obviously nginobudlelwano obuhle naye umngani but ngiseba ngiyibuka leyo ngabona ukuthi lento lena yokuthi sithandane nabantu ukufika iclouda ijudgment yethu because lo muntu lona ubrilliant but ucloudekile at that moment ngithi asisukume zami sengisukumise lokho ngithi asisukumeni Mzansi asisupporteni le cause bakuhlala kabi la kunina ngiyaxolisa but it is what it is and ngizoyimela le cause ngoba ngiya-agree to it ngiyayibona for umuntu waselokishini ngiyayibona kubuhlungu kubona abantu wakhula nabo benje hayi ma ngeke akusukumeni president do something
Some South Africans are coming for Jacinta after this other video started trending. I don't know if I can say it started trending or it just resurfaced online. I don't know, because there are other people that are saying that video is from 2025. Like this whole thing happened long time ago. It's not a recent video, which I saw the video as well, and people are reacting to it currently right now. Like people are reacting to that video of Jacinta calling out South Africans to say, yo, the Commission of Rights has taken me to a court. So obviously South Africans will have to come and help me come as many as you are. And yeah, guys, South Africans are just bashing this whole thing. This one is, you are on your own. You are on your own. I don't know, guys. Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think it's a long time video? Do you know the video?